EPCB boiler boosts you to be a leader in the industry by providing reliable and energy-saving boiler systems and solutions. This is a cement products factory. They chose EPCB steam boiler to provide steam and heat for production. Let's take a look at boiler user site together. Adopt three-way structure and arrange the interval of the smoke pipes reasonably to improve the boiler thermal efficiency. Adopt a high-quality and low-cost electronic control system. Accurate monitoring of boiler operating data will make your boiler safer. Equipped with reliable burner from well-known brand Italy Balter, Riello etc. The foil-cooled burns efficiently, high combustion efficiency, low harmful gas emission and noiseless operation. Equipped with special valves and instruments for boilers, it has multiple interlocking protection functions, ensure boiler safe and reliable operation. Use high-quality special 2-color water level gauge boiler, long life, clear scale calibration, high temperature and pressure resistance, high sealing performance and high intelligence. Equipped with the fin tube economizer designed by EPCB, reduce flue gas temperature, and the recovered heat will be fully utilized by the boiler feed water again. Customize the steam distribution hole on the sub-cylinder for you to meet the production needs of your factory, and provide a steam distributor insulation layer to improve steam quality. Equipped with a pump with the best head and flow rate to ensure the stable operation of your boiler system, and save you unnecessary expenses. Choose EPCB, choose your most assured product.